Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I took a short break from YouTube. I just needed to relax a little bit. I went away with my boyfriend and we just basically did nothing, just relaxed and recharged our batteries. And I'm so excited to be back, and I am bringing you today a flip through of this journal that I made as a custom order, and it's also my design team project for VectoriaDesigns. And guys, when they showed me the kit that they have for this month, for the big launch, I was over the moon, because the kit is vintage writing journal and I love writing so much. I have been journaling, like straight on writing, for most of my life, and it's such a big part of me. And also, as you may know from my previous Junk Journal with Me video, I am obsessed with pens and paper, and there is so much of this in this kit. There is some vintage fountain pens, there are typewriters, all types of paper, so amazing. And it also correlated very well with the idea for this journal, which I will tell you about in a second. So the kit is launching today, which is 10th of August, Monday, and I will leave all the links to the kit, to the VectoriaDesigns shop in the description for you, so you can check this out. And if you love vintage and if you love writing, definitely check this out. You will see how beautiful this kit is when we go into this journal. I'm just in love. I am in love. So okay, so again, all the links are in the description box. And now for the journal. So the idea for this journal, my customer wanted to make it for someone who loves writing, who loves journaling, who loves art, so painting and drawing and sketching, and she wanted it to be full of different types of papers and full of journaling spots, so that the person who is getting this journal can just go on, you know, be creative. And I honestly loved this idea so much, because I love paper, I love all the different types of papers. This is my favorite thing about junk journals, and I had a lot of fun making this journal. And so the journal is pretty much, it's very basic in terms, there is not much embellishing inside, but I'm also attaching this pouch of goodies that I will share with you a bit later. So about the journal, the size is the same as my spring journals. I will have the link for you up here and in the description box below if you want to check this out. It's not square, but it's almost square. I really like this size. It's fabric covered. I had this beautiful navy blue fabric with gold and with pink, and I think it's really feminine and it's so pretty. So this is how it looks like. I love it so much. And I had these perfectly matching organza ribbons, and I used them for my closure. And I have some lace hanging on here, and this gorgeous lace was gifted to me in a happy mail by the amazing Neri. Thank you so much, Neri. Your generosity is just absolutely amazing. I'm so grateful. And the front here is a little collagey bit, somewhat like my spring journals, but what I used is some music paper, vintage music, some cheesecloth, and then this piece here is from the kit. So you can already see that it's not just vintage, but it also has some splashes of color. And you know, I love my colors, so I enjoyed this so much. It's so beautiful, and I really think it fits it matches the color of the flowers here on the cover and of the ribbons very well. And I just have a Tim Holtz nameplate. So let's go inside and let's see the kit. So here is the inside, and isn't this just so beautiful? I used so the kit is huge. Again, it comes with lots of papers, like papers for your journals, and it also has some full-sized pages that you can print, you know, on a whole, like your copy paper or A4 paper, and so I used those as my front and back cover, which you will see when we get to it. I also use this for the lining here. Beautiful splashes of color. I'm really like, and the script and everything, it's just my jam, you know, writing tools and everything. So the journal has 3 signatures, and they are full of different papers, and the embellishments I only did some well, quite a lot, like vintage lace and fabric tabs. So these are just little cute clusters sewn directly to the page, and also some trims and some laces. So let's see the journal. So like I said, this page is from the kit, and this is their background page. Then I have parchment paper, some sketchbook paper, another gorgeous page from the kit. I love this purple so much, and journaling spots and everything, and the background page. Then this is from Tim Holtz, and I really think it complements this kit so beautifully. So this is from Memoranda, and again, these are vintage sari fabrics. And then I have some like these tabs or page reinforcers that I put eyelets through, and some charms, and these all come from the kit as well. So there is a lot of ephemera in this kit too, and I think they look really cute. Coffee stained paper. Oh, this is from Tracy Fox. So I will link all the places other than VectoriaDesigns, of course, that I took my pages from in the description, so you can check them out. This is just some coffee stained paper. This is a paper from a Leuchtturm 1917 notebook. This is, if you've watched the junk journal with me video, then you will know I love these notebooks. These are my favorite for fountain pen writing, and they are so smooth and gorgeous. So I had some in the back of my journal that I took out, and this is again from Tracy. Again, a beautiful page from the kit. I mean, so lovely. Again, a background page. Just some coffee stained graph paper with lace sewn here, and this is recycled sketchbook paper. Then this is in the middle here, it's a big sheet of mixed media paper, so so she can do like anything she likes with it using any media. Then we have again the sketchbook paper, another tab. It's so amazing, guys. I love all the different textures and weights and feel of the paper, and even sizes. Yeah, it makes me happy. So this is Tim Holtz, and the back page from the kit. Then this is again sketchbook paper, parchment paper, and the beautiful pages from the kit. This, like I mentioned, the lining is from the kit as well. I love this drawing or the sketch, I guess, of a typewriter. It's so pretty, and it's very like textural. You have all those staples and tape and everything, so it kind of feels dimensional, even though it's printed, of course. So the background, and I have some coffee stained ledger paper. This is Rhodia paper, and it's fantastic for fountain pens. My definite favorite for when I'm practicing something with my fountain pens, or just trying them out. Beautiful. Then this, I mean, how fun is that? Then another tab with a little postcard ephemera piece with just a key charm, very cute. Some more Tim Holtz. And I love how it complements the kit because of the tape, of the textural feel to it. So all the same papers, Leuchtturm 1917 paper, Tracy Fox. This is again a coffee or tea stained music paper, plain music paper, sketchbook paper. Yeah, I really had fun putting this journal together and just playing with all the different types of papers. And because I wanted to leave as much room as possible. This is again from the kit, this little circle, and I just kind of put it here over the edge. So yeah, because I wanted to leave as much room for creativity for the owner of the journal, as I know she loves writing and creating. I did not do much embellishment, but I added this pouch of goodies so she can use in this journal or in any other creative project. How beautiful is this? I love the vintage color of this paper here, and the purple or pink, I guess, pinkish purple, just splashed, you know, like paint. It's so awesome. Some more papers. This is again sketchbook paper, and this is the recycled. I have a vellum sheet here that can be used for many fun things. I have this beauty. Oh, I love this color so much. Okay, mixed media paper, coffee stained, more pinholes, Tracy box. This is from the kit, beautifully vintage, and Leuchtturm paper. Each signature has Leuchtturm paper because I just love it so much. Then these two tabs are again from the kit, and I have just a little key charm hanging. Beautiful pinholes as the middle of the third signature, and some more of these tabs. These tabs are vintage laces and sari fabrics, so vintage sari fabrics. I'll just throw it here. So yeah, so they definitely are vintage, and they correlate, you know, they match the vintage feel of the journal. Some more coffee stained paper, very grungy. Page from the kit, beautiful. Vellum, grungy, coffee staining, and a bag. And the bag is, for me, these papers are just as breathtaking together as the front, because these colors are just so pretty. So this is the bag. This is again the full sheet that I printed and I used for my end paper, and I of course cut it to fit the journal. And yeah, this is just so beautiful. So really making this journal and working with this kit made me so happy, and I hope she loves it. So now let me show you the goodies that come with the kit. So this is an envelope that I made with another full sheet of paper from the kit, and it's just tied with some string, and I used the same pieces I used for the tabs, just here, you know, layered, and these are all vintage sari fabrics. So it's quite full. It's quite full of goodies. So, oh, and I printed a background page here, so you can see it does have some patterns inside as well. So I think it turned out cool. So what I'm adding to the journal are some of these tabs. I chose some with neutral colors, so she can use them however she likes. They match the journal. There is purple, there is some of this brown and some cream, and we made these together actually in my recent scrap ephemera video that I will link for you, so you can check them out. Then I have some of these tabs, and these are botanical, but I thought they just go really well with the vintage feel, because I have music paper in the background, and also I have vintage book page on the back, so they can be stuck to the page, you know, like this. And there is also an eyelet in each one of them, so she can just use some string or some ball pins to add her own charms and beads. Then I have one of my tickets, and again we made these together in my video. So I chose one with purple, and I think it goes nicely with the purple in the journal. Then I have two of these envelopes, because I just love envelopes, and I think they are great for anything. And even if she does not use them, you know, in the journal, then she can gift them or do anything with them. And again, these are the envelopes that we made together in my Back to Basics video. All of this will be linked for you. And this we made together as well. So I took a lot of things from my stash that I thought that would match the journal, because again, we have some flowers that are the same or very similar purple colors and pink. So this is my like a card pocket. So there's a pocket here, the flowers are behind the vellum, and there is journaling space on the back. Then I made this little notebook, and this is made with two, the cover is made with 2 pieces of ephemera from the kit. So we have this, we have some beads on the spine, and I used Tim Holtz for the inner cover, and it just has some rhodia paper and some coffee stained paper for some more notes. And I love these little notebooks to take them, you know, on the go when you just want to jot down some ideas for writing or for painting, for anything really, and you don't have your journal with you. So I think it's cute. And this is just my card. I'm putting it inside the envelope. I've added a few sheets of watercolor paper, because I think she might like to paint as well, and just glue them down or add them to her journals or do whatever she likes with them. So there are just a few sheets, and then I've added a few pieces from the ephemera from the kit as well, and they can be used as decoration, they can be used as journaling spots, journaling cards, anything she likes. This is so nice, and yeah, I really like them. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the flip through. I hope you enjoyed the unembellished multi types of paper journal. I certainly enjoyed making this, and let me know actually if you would like to see some journals like this in my shop. So all sorts of different papers, a variety of papers, and maybe a little goodie bag so you can use them, use all of those things as you wish. And it's basically a canvas for you and for your own creativity. I love these types of journals. This is kind of how I journal. As you know, I make my journals just a variety of papers, and I embellish them as I go. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video, in which we are going to be working some more on our Pastel Blossoms journals. So yeah, see you then. Bye!